The 5 best ergonomic office kneeling chairs. There are many kinds of yoga kneeling office chairs. The variety in padding types, adjustable features, rolling base, etc. is broad. A kneeling posture chair which is ideal for one individual may not be that great for the next. Some benefits of kneeling chairs are amazing and cannot be ignored. In this article review for 2018, we will discuss a variety of office kneeling chairs in the hopes that you will find the best choice for you. The criteria of our ratings. Feedback: health value price tag, product features, comfortability. Here is a list of the most popular ergonomic exercise kneeling chairs currently being offered in the market. Not only will we list our highest ranking reviews, but we will also be including feature descriptions, the links to purchase the product at the best price rate, as well as ranking scores. By investing in one of these products, you will take control over the pain you feel in your back. Our 5 best ergonomic kneeling chair reviews. Flash Furniture Wooden Posture Kneeling Stool. One of the most highly respected ergo kneel chair manufacturers is Flash Furniture. The design and posture of their kneel chair reflects that. It is surprising that although it boasts a variety of features, its price is quite reasonable. The fact that its height is adjustable and it also completely folds down, these are the features we were drawn to. A very important factor with ergonomics is the product being eye level with the computer screen, and the height adjustment this particular posture kneeling chair offers will allow you to do just that. Storage is no problem as it is able to lay down flat. Even transporting between home and work in your car is quite easy. Not only is the cushion comfortable on the knees, but it is also very durable when you're on your desk. Being that the base is able to be rolled while moving, you will be able to be active while on the office posture kneeler seat near your office desk. By placing a foot on the ground and moving around a bit, you will be able to maintain movement on your legs. Whether or not you are a first-time user of these kneeler stools or have been using them for a while, this is a product you will love to use at the desk, office or at home. Office Star Executive, Office Kneeler. The Office Star Executive knee stool manages to be stylish while maintaining its ergonomic value. The memory foam pad feature is not only for the shins but also the buttocks, which adds extra comfort. This is actually the most comfortable product we have ever had the pleasure of testing and reviewing. All the other features we deem necessary are included: adjustable height, rolling base, etc. The chair's leather-bound padding and mahogany wood finish are a favorite among consumers. This will definitely get some attention around the office. Using this chair will surely improve your time spent in the office because of the comfort that it gives you, as well as the health benefits from being in a better posture. Jazzy Deluxe by Jobury, Kneeling Chair. This chair is probably the best there is, but the only reason it is not higher on our list is due to its price, which is way higher than their competitors' prices. If you are, however, someone who only spends on the very best, then you have found your stool. All possible adjustments are featured by the Jazzy Deluxe: height, angle, lumbar support, knee pad, etc. Although the padding is quite firm, it maintains its comfortable feeling. The chrome rolling base is rated 5 stars and its flash and ergonomic style are great. The Jazzy Deluxe is what we at ergonomichealth.com have been using since its debut in the market. If you are looking for more information about this product, you can click the link below to find out more about it. B248 by Boss, Knee Posture Seat. This particular chair is quickly becoming a favorite among consumers. It is incredibly long-lasting. The pneumatic airlift is another great feature. This allows for quick and easy adjustments. The steel frame it's made with is quite a unique feature as well. This is a product that will stand the test of time, It is truly durable, as you will notice in our review. Flash Furniture Ergonomic Wooden Office Stool. This product, amazingly enough, is also from Flash Furniture. This is what we call the sister of our highest ranked kneeling chair. The real difference is the fact that it does not fold down completely, and the range of motion for the height is not nearly as much as its sisters. This is still, however, a great product. The wood frame is sturdy, the rolling base works great, and it is top quality as well as manufactured by some of the best. We also reviewed the product in a more detailed fashion. If you want to see it, then click the link below. Summary. So, here are our top 5 knee stools review and seats that you can buy for your office and home. With this information, we hope that you can distinguish what makes a knee stool worth the money regardless of the brand. What matters the most is how comfortable it is for your body structure and the purpose for it. But with the products that we listed on this review page, there is no way you can go wrong, as they are the best ones out in the market today. So, good luck with your quest to finding the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like our video.